How to make the fractal color effect. Today's video is not sponsored by Monica Bellucci. Duplicate your clip. With the second one selected, go to the color page. Use the magic mask to isolate your subject. Select the person mask, make sure that the toggle mask overlay is activated. If you're brave enough, you can set the quality to better. Draw a line in your subject and hit the play button. Once the mask is done, increase the blur radius around 20, add an alpha output, connect the blue dots, and go to the edit page. Right-click to your masked clip, and select to render it in place. Set the type to Apple 4444 to include the alpha channel also. Once you've rendered the clip, delete it from the timeline. Select the first one, make it a new Fusion clip and open the Fusion page. Add a merge node. Go to your media pool, and bring the masked clip to your flow. Connect it to the merge node, as a foreground. Go to the effects library, tools, macros, and bring the empty glitch color noise between the masked clip and the merge. For this, you'll need to install the Reactor plugin, and activate the empty glitch tools. Go to the merge tab of the glitch, and adjust the low and high values to your liking. Play around with the blend sliders and the apply mode. I will change the apply mode to overlay, but you can use whatever works best in your case. Go to the Controls tab, right-click to the Hue Shift slider, and modify it with Anim Curves. With the Merge node selected, right-click to the Blend slider. Select the expression, and write down this incredibly hard expression. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, welcome to the real life.